Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching us how to make soap base at home, homemade soap base. Follow me as we get into it. Okay, here is my oil. I'll be using three different type of oil. In this cup we have the bleach palm oil. I have coconut oil there, and I also have shea butter. Coconut just 100 grams, and then the shea butter 25, while palm oil is also 50. Okay, and here my oil is already warm. Usually you should know that you should warm your oil before you use it. That's why I'm filling it, to make sure it is warm. The advantage of warming your oil before usage is to avoid thick trace. If it's not warm, if it's at the same room with the light solution, it might quickly form trace, which might be a bit difficult for you to maneuver, and then maneuver it as you desire, and then pouring it into the mold might be a bit difficult. Okay, and here is my light solution. And what do I have in the light solution? I have caustic soda of just 27. Okay, and then I have about water there. Okay, and there is this light solution. Okay, so what is the next thing I'm going to do? You know, in our soap production, the basic and what is needed in the making soap is the saponification. And how do we come about the saponification? That is by the use of the fat and the caustic solution, and that's what we are going to do. What I just showed us now is the glycerin. I'll be adding glycerin to the production. You know, we are doing the home base soap base at home. Anybody can make it. Just follow me, just follow my procedure. You are going to get it right. Okay, it's very simple, not difficult. So when you have soap base, you can customize it as you want, and then that's where the use of the word melt and pour. So what you see me doing is pouring the light solution into the oil. So saponification is going on now, and you can see that it has formed like a pipe-like. If you have watched to this extent and you're here to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Do click on that subscribe button and then be a member of the family. And you can also join us in our membership. Okay, be a member to us. Okay, so what you see me pour is the glycerin. Okay, you know, we are making a basic homemade soap base that we can be using for melt and pour. So I pour my glycerin. At this time, there are two ways you can do it. You could have as well pour the glycerin right into the oil before the light solution, and you can as well pour it now even in the butter. You know, this is what we call butter. It's like pap. And as much as possible, don't let your butter form thick trace while you are still doing it. Mine is already in a medium trace, so it's good for your mold. Now once you are mixing your oil and fat, make sure your mold is nearby. You don't have to be looking for mold everywhere, so make sure every gadget you need are available. Okay, just as simple as that. What you are seeing me made is a soap base. Okay, look at it, giving a good glossy look, and then in the next few hours it will be solidified. And when it does that, I will come back to show you. Do subscribe, like it, and keep sharing. God bless you. And here is our soap. It's already strong, it's already very firm. Look at it. What do you mean? Really very fine, very smooth. Do subscribe and join the family. God bless you as you watch my video, as you like it, as you subscribe, and as you keep sharing. I will want to hear your comments. Let's meet at the comment section. God bless you. Bye.